Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri Aab Gosht or Doèd Maaz. It's a milk-based meat curry. Aab Gosht is a wonderful mild meat curry possessing exceptional tastes of its own. This curry has a superb blend of whole spices infused into milk gravy and is an important part of Kashmiri feast Wazwan. So let's get started. For making this delicacy, I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 black cardamoms, 2 teaspoons of fennel seed powder, you can take fennel seeds also, 5 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of dried mint leaves. Mint is optional, I just love to have sprinkle of mint in my Aab Gosht, and 1 thinly sliced onion, and 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you can use oil also, and around 750 grams of meat, and I have taken 1.25 liters of milk. Typically in Kashmir we use milk powder for making Aab Gosht because it's a bit sweet, but I'm taking this fresh milk. So once it starts to boil, we have to simmer it till it reduces half of its volume. So it has been boiling for a while, so I'll be adding green cardamoms, 2 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, fennel seed powder, a quarter of cumin seed powder, and half of a stick of cinnamon, and simmer it and let it boil. Now in a pot I have taken 3 glasses of water. I have added meat to it. I'll be adding now salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, quarter of cumin seeds, remaining cinnamon sticks, green cardamom. I'll mix it and let it cook on low flame for half an hour because I'm going through slow cooking method, or else you can transfer it to a cooker and cook it up to 3 whistles. So after half an hour I'll be checking. Our meat should be done around 80% because it has to cook in milk gravy also. So here it's done almost 80%. So I'll turn off the flame and go back to our milk. So here you can see it has almost reduced. So I'll let it cook more, and it's thickened also. In a pan I have heated up ghee. Now I'll be adding cumin seeds and cloves to it, and then onions. Fry onions nicely and then add meat to it. You can skip by simply adding meat to milk gravy, but I like to fry meat, it tastes really nice. So once onions have turned brown, I'll be adding meat to this and fry it nicely, and then add half a cup of meat stock. You can add more also if you want more gravy. So going back to our meat, it's reduced in volume, it's almost half of its volume. So we will be adding this milk to our meat. Now here you can see I'm adding this to our meat. You can simply add meat to milk gravy or milk to meat, it's same thing. And I'll sprinkle it with some dried mint. It's optional, but I like to have it in my Aab Gosht. Cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes on low heat. So after 10 minutes our Aab Gosht is ready. The gravy is also thick. I'll dish it out. Enjoy this milk-based mild, tender and juicy flavored meat without any hot spices. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns, and please subscribe to my channel and keep watching this space for more videos. Thank you.